أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
عفى الله عنك لم أذنت لهم حتى يتبين لك الذين صدقوا وتعلم الكاذبين.
May Allah pardon you. Why did you give them permission before it became clear to you who are the truthful ones, and who are the liars?
لا يستأذنك الذين يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر أن يجاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم والله عليم بالمتقين.
Those who believe in Allah and the last day do not ask you for exemption from striving with their possessions and their lives. Allah is fully aware of the righteous.
إنما يستأذنك الذين لا يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر وارتابت قلوبهم فهم في ريبهم يترددون.
Only those who do not believe in Allah and the last day ask you for exemption. Their hearts are full of doubts, so they waver in their doubts.